Hey guys, we received this Tostar Acoustic Violin full size for test and try. So very nice violin as you can see and comes with the complete kit. That part I will show you stepwise. But easy to handle, full size violin 4x4 is a nice starter kit with the carrying case, violin bow, bridge, rosin, shoulder rest, stickers, instructions, etc. So this is how this comes. So let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box is this carry case and the whole violin kit. So very nice protective case with everything inside. So you can see like the case is a zipper, easy to handle with a nice handle and then the velcro and the zipper thing. Have the straps for carrying and also for the manual or anything you can put it here. So overall it has a complete starter kit. So I will show you all the parts step by step. So this have a fine tuner, have the saddle, bridge, scroll, and you can see like it's all protective. So let me just take out all this stuff. But be careful as is known as a string. So, but visibly I can clearly see, the quality of it. And this is the tuner, is the bow stand and all those thing inside here. So violin bow with the adjustable thing. And this I showed you like the I have the rosin as well for this, and you can see like the quality here, very nice high density ebony pegs, the fine tuner, saddle, bridge, high density ebony pegs, and also like the solid woods with the purest clarity. So very nice clear and the nice looking violin. So the son is tuning it because he knows how to do that. And you see like the tuners and everything is here, and you can easily put that the rosin thing. He's trying to set this up and play. You can also hear the sound, and also like nice looking with a nice wood, classic lines. Overall, it's a really nice violin starter kit.